These are my babies. They are soaking wet. Because I just gave them all a bath. And it's the sunny side of the table. Exceed, settle down. Don't try to hump your sister that's in heat. Tiny, look. Hi, Tiny. Juicy. Exceed, look at mommy. Exceed, look at mommy. Good girl. Missy, look at mom. Missy, look at mom. Hey. Juicy, look at mom. Say bye. Oh, quiet. Quiet now. There's the dog food. Sure for them to jump on. And that's what our fire pit looks like in the daytime. And it's May 6th now. Yeah, that's what it is. Alright. Well, see, I got my devotional books here. I'm going to read and pray outside and enjoy this nice, quiet time. If the dogs can cooperate. Hi, Tiny. Come to see me? Hi, honey. You come on over here to see your favorite mommy? Yeah, that's you. This is you. Come on, Exceed. You can come down. Or you girls want to stay up there, eh? Okay. Oh, what did Tiny say? What do you say, Tiny? What do you say? Look, back up. What do you say, Tiny? What do you say? What do you say? What do you want? What do you want? You just want to be a cuddle bug. Yeah, boy. Have a much better life. Eh? And on the 15th, you guys are going to get shaved, you Exceed. Yeah. I know, you're looking funnier. But you're sweetheart. And Mommy loves to kiss you too. Yeah. I'm sorry, it's just that yesterday you're all in the water. You was in the water yesterday. You were in the water yesterday. Yeah, swimming at the St. Albert Lake, you have to have baths sometimes. Yeah, especially if you go to the river and lake. Aw, it's okay, Tiny. It's okay. What? Yeah. Alright, come here. Come here. We'll go sit over here, baby. Come. Up here. Good boy. Tiny loves mommy. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's it for the video.